Small talk, no conversation. That look makes me impatient.
Hi, today we're going to talk about the questions on NBio chapter 4. There's 3 questions here. The first one is compare and contrast organic compounds. So the difference between the two inorganic compounds are compounds that does not have carbon and hydrogen in the compound. But there are inorganic compounds in our body that does have carbon and hydrogen, such as H2O water, the CO2, the carbon dioxide, and the HCl, the hydrochloric acid. But the rest in our body, such as magnesium ions and calcium ions, are inorganic compounds. While organic compounds, on the other hand, are compounds that have carbon and hydrogen, most commonly carbon as the backbone of the compound, such as DNA, RNA, glucose, and many others such as steroids. The second question is, distinguish between acid and base and explain the role in pH. So, when we say acid, we all know that there's, to measure them, there's 14 pH numbers. Anything that is below 7 is an acid. So now acid, the stronger the acid, the greater it provides hydrogen or hydrogen ions, while bases, on the other hand, is a pH below greater than 7 is a base, and it behaves in the opposite way on the acids. While acids provide hydrogen ions, the base receives hydrogen ions, and instead of providing hydrogen ion, it provides hydroxide ions. So that's the difference between the two and their role. Number 3, discuss the roles of buffers in helping the body maintain the pH homeostasis. Now, buffers are actually very, very important in our body because our cells are very sensitive, and our cells pH is very neutral. At most it's 7. So if there's changes on our cells, it would actually cause it to deform and disrupting the activities of the cells in our body. So this is the role of the buffers. They're going to maintain the pH level on our body. They can regulate them by if ever the blood or the cells, has abnormalities, they're going to respond to it. For example, if it lacks hydrogen ions, or it's the cells are becoming more basic, so the buffers is going to provide hydrogen ions to maintain the pH of the cells. Also, yes, if ever the acid, our cells is becoming more acidic, they will collide or stick together for it to become neutral again. So that's how the buffers is maintaining the homeostasis of our body, by maintaining it or regulating it to the neutral pH level.